In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Read Aloud in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If you're tired of squinting at dense research, sprawling articles, or complex code explanations, this is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. ChatGPT's updated Read Aloud engine can turn any response into clear natural speech on both desktop and mobile, so you can keep learning while you multitask. I'll walk you through finding the playback controls, dialing in voice and speed, keeping audio going in the background, and getting authentic pronunciations for different languages. Let's get started. First, use the built-in read aloud controls rather than clunky third-party readers. Open ChatGPT in your browser or mobile app and jump into any conversation. Find the specific message you want to hear, then look along the action bar directly under that response. Next to the copy and feedback icons, tap the speaker button. That launches the native audio engine and begins reading the text aloud with smooth, human-like pacing. If the default voice or speed isn't your style, you can customize it in seconds. Open Settings, choose the Speech tab, and select a voice that matches your preference. Options like Breeze, Cove, Ember, Juniper, or Sky each have their own timbre and warmth. Just below, use the speed slider to fine-tune playback anywhere from 0.5x for deep focus up to 2.0x for efficient skimming. A good tip is to start around 1.2x to 1.4x comma, then nudge faster as your ears adjust. When you need to step away from the screen, keep listening without interruption. On mobile, once Read Aloud is playing, simply minimize the app. The narration continues through your phone's media layer and into your Bluetooth headphones, with standard lock screen controls so you can pause or resume instantly. For the smoothest experience, make sure your device volume is set to media and consider disabling aggressive battery saver modes that might pause background audio. Read Aloud also shines for language learning and regional pronunciations. If you want authentic delivery, be explicit in your prompt. For example, paste your text and say, "Act as an elite linguistic vocal coach. Translate this business paragraph into conversational Tamil. Constraints: avoid robotic literal translation. Format normally, but optimize phonetics so Read Aloud produces a natural, regionally accurate rhythm." Clear instructions like these help the voice engine sound genuinely local. Finally, use Read Aloud as an editorial safety net. Paste your draft into a new chat and try, act as a principal copy editor and sound engineer. Review this script. Add natural pauses, vary sentence lengths, and remove corporate cliches. Output a clean, copyable draft so I can run Read Aloud and audit cadence before publishing. Then listen back. Your ear will catch awkward phrasing far faster than your eyes. Handing off the heavy lifting to Read Aloud reduces eye strain and lets you absorb information anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.